If videos are not playing in Firefox on Windows, yeah, that can be really frustrating, especially when everything loads, but the video stays black or keeps buffering. Let's fix it step by step. First, make sure your internet is stable. I mean, try opening another video or website to confirm it's not a network issue. Next, restart Firefox completely. Temporary browser glitches can stop videos from loading properly. Now, disable all extensions temporarily. Yeah, ad blockers or script blockers can often stop videos from playing. Next, disable hardware acceleration. I mean, GPU conflicts can cause black screen videos or playback failure. Now, clear cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data is one of the most common reasons videos won't play. Next, check autoplay settings in Firefox. Yeah, if autoplay is blocked, videos may not start automatically. Now, make sure Firefox is updated. I mean, older versions can have media playback bugs. Next, update your graphics drivers. Outdated drivers can break video rendering inside the browser. Now try playing the video in a private window. Yeah, this helps identify if extensions or cookies are causing the issue. If nothing works, reinstall Firefox completely. I mean, this fixes corrupted program files affecting video playback. And that's it. One of these fixes should get videos working again in Firefox on Windows.